Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is the following experiment have equally likely outcome? Explain. And the experiment given here is a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. So guys, let us look here. Let us analyze the question what is being given here so that it will be easy to answer or to see whether the particular statement is having equally likely outcomes or not. So if you look here to the given statement, what we will see? We will see that it is being said that a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. This is what being given. Now if you look here to the question, there are only two parts. One is she or he shoots or misses. There are two things only. Guys, we very well know whenever two things comes into picture, then the probability becomes equally likely to happen. Equally likely to happen, the probability becomes. Why? Because either this or that. If we toss a coin, the probability is equally likely to come, because either we might get a head or we also might get a tail. So the outcome is equally likely. The head or tail outcome is equally likely. So if you look here, like we very well know that the probability of an event plus the probability of not an event is always 1. So in this case, when two things are coming into picture, whether a player attempts to shoot a basketball, she or he shoots or misses. Two things, either she will shoot it or she will miss it. So that means the probability of the event is 1/2 and the probability of not an event is also 1/2. Either she will shoot the basketball into the basket net or she will miss it. And 1/2 plus 1/2, we will get 1. So our answer here will be the probability of this experiment. The following our answer here will be the following experiment has equal likely outcome. Guys, there might be some controversy. Some people might say this thing or that thing, or they might end up in saying some other different things. But looking at the question, there are only two things are coming into picture. One is shoot or miss. If we have two things, then definitely the probability of the experiment will definitely have equal likely outcome. Hope guys you understood what I'm trying to convince you or what I'm trying to convey you. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.